Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Log and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to change your username on the Oculus app. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Oculus app. Here we go. This kind of page will appear. At the bottom, you can find different options. Go to the option menu. Tap on it. Now at the top, you can see your username. Tap on that. Over here you can find this three dots, tap on it. Now tap on the option edit profile. Now over here you will get this option of username. Now tap on it and remove your old username and type a new username. After you are done, tap on save. You can see that my username has been updated. You can change your username once every 6 months. After you are done, tap on save given at the bottom. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change username on Oculus app. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.